A few months ago, a friend of mine who is a solid TypeScript developer, he ships every day, but he has never touched Web3. And then he asked me, where is he meant to start if he wants to start anything or building on Web3? He has seen the headlines, but trust me, he didn't want to waste the time or any weekend on something that would be irrelevant in 6 months. So I told him what I'm about to tell you right now. Don't start with a tutorial. Tutorial with guided quest board would help you. Don't worry, I'll tell you everything you need to know. Midnight has a quest board on Zealy. It's not a gamified fluff. The first track walks you through installing Compact, forking your first contract, compiling it, deploying it. Each one is a quest. Each step you take within the quest gives you the SP that you required for that particular quest. And by the time you finish the onboarding track, you have actually written and deployed a privacy-preserving contract. Not read about one, but you have written one already. So there are a lot of things I like about this process. One of them is that Compact is typed deterministic, and the SDK around it is TypeScript end-to-end. Wallet, proofs, states. You are learning the parts that are actually new, and then the zero knowledge bits are reusing the muscle memory of what you already have and for everything else. Also, there's a build track and an academic track on the same board. So once you are done with onboarding, you already have the next step waiting for you. It took my friend a weekend. I know you will also enjoy it. Get started today.